This video guide will help you to remove malicious pop-ups by the website Aberringser.club. Aberringser.club. The pop-up says that you need to click Allow to close this page. Sometimes it displays other tricky messages, for instance the alert claiming that you need to click Allow to verify your age, or to prove that you are a human and not a robot, or some other faulty and misleading statements. Now you need to be careful not to click on that Allow button, because obviously that's a very serious mistake. If you have done that, you need to go to the menu of your browser, click on Settings, then you need to select Site Settings and Notifications. Now carefully examine the Allow and Block area. If you see some dangerous websites here in the list, delete them from this list. I also recommend that you scan your Mac additionally with Combo Cleaner, the reliable antivirus for Mac. You may get it on this page, combocleaner.com. So download the application and start scanning your Mac computer with it. Combo Cleaner works as a free scanner. It scans your Mac, but to remove threads, the premium license is required. Click on Start Combo Scan. The program will begin free scanning of your Mac, and by the way, it also has got some absolutely free features to use. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode, the program will perform scanning of your computer and its analysis. At the end of scan, you will see the detailed report. If you see something next to the antivirus section, you may click on Review Results to find out what exact threats were found. So you will see the detailed list of each specific threat and its detailed location in your Mac. What you could do is click on this icon, that means Show in Finder. Then this will open the location of threat in Finder. You may right-click on this threat and move it to the trash. You may do the same procedure with all other malware types that were found. So click on this icon, then right-click on it, on the malware, and move it to the trash. So this is the manual way to remove malware from your Mac, or you could do it automatically but with the premium version of the program.